All right, so I pulled up my Firefox again, and what I did was I hovered over this section again, and what I saw was that it's an H1, not a title. That was my fault. I screwed up, made a mistake. So this right here, and instead of title, we can use H1 because it's a H1 tag. See that? That satisfies our identification. And so now we'll be able to come back in here, and rather than this, we'll do this. And now I am almost certain that it is going to succeed. So let's come back here. We are just going to debug like before so that we can take it slow. Move this guy over here. And then whenever our browser comes up, we'll bring that over too. There it is. So remember, it's going to break inside because I'm doing debugging. So there it is. It broke inside. So present. Oh, see, now it's already displayed. How awesome is that? Excellent. So if I step through all of this using F10, sorry, step over, it's present. It's going to return present. Step over that. You guys see that? If element is displayed, then we're going to return true in this method, which is what we called. So I'm going to step over that. Obviously, true is going to be returned, and that is going to be the end of our method. So our method is exiting. And so now this is going to return a true as well. And since we are successfully logged in, we will now be able to click Edit Profile, which automatically switches tabs for us, which is excellent. So all that's left is to create an assertion that identifies that we are at the Edit Profile page, which we will obviously do again with another dynamic wait. So let me stop this. Let's go back to our Firefox so we can use Firebug. I'm going to Edit Profile. I'm going to wait until it loads. And now I'm going to hover over this, Edit Profile. And again, same thing, just like the other one, it's an H1 that contains text, Edit Profile. So let me actually come over to our script, come into this is at, and what I'm going to do is remove this. This is old. I'm going to copy over this exact thing. I'm going to back to our test. I'm going to go to the pages class, and then I'm going to go to the Edit Profile page. The isAdd method, so rather than doing this, I'm going to paste in the same thing from the My Membership page. And I want this thing, but rather than using My Membership text, we're going to look for Edit Profile and hit enter. And that is a success. Amazing. One thing that I really want to know, you guys to notice here is how when one thing is developed and figured out, after that it's a lot of just copying, pasting, and reusing. So like this isAdd method from one element, from one place to another, all I did was copy over this exact thing, right? And now I just have to implement the code. And all that changes is this identifier, but everything else is the same, which kind of gives you a little hint, right? Following our dry, don't repeat yourself principle, this isAdd method is becoming kind of similar in each of the classes. Maybe in the future, we'll think about refactoring it.